Job candidates are like stars, so many of them, and each one is different. How can someone pick the right one? Finding your next star? Someone who fits the job in your culture takes a team of experts. That's what you can get with Snapdragon Associates, a niche recruiting firm serving best-in-class companies in the lumber and building materials industry. Our trained staff of experts identify, locate, and recruit industry top professionals and deliver them to you in short order. Recruiting is a science, and we have developed a results-based process utilizing over 100 years of direct lumber and building materials industry experience. In short, our process works. Our clients trust us to recruit only the best candidates, and that means savings of up to 25% of traditional hiring methods while filling their open positions in record time. Not to mention the thousands of dollars saved and the amount of time our clients gain to put towards their business by leaving their recruiting to us. We help build some of the best companies in the LBM industry. The process works like this. You call us with the details of your immediate hiring need. Fill our job order questionnaire. We assign your role to one of our research recruiters as well as an executive recruiter, and the hunt begins. Using our large data system, network of industry contacts, social media resources, and guerrilla marketing techniques, we are able to source quality people for your open roles. Once a candidate is identified,